Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, nata din sa may Bacolod because we're going to feature Honda cars. So, it's really a walking distance lang sa may Gmall here sa Mabolo. Also, katong gusto magpa-shoutout, ato nang ibutang diri. Ang gusto magpa-shoutout. Now guys, I know that you are excited. So, di na kayo nang magpapadugayo na itong intro. Let's go!
How are you doing so far?
Okay.
Getting more and more curious about what's new in the new Honda HR-V 2025 year model. I'm John Bondihar, the Sales Training Officer, and I'll be presenting to you very quickly. I will not be training. You might be, uy, basi mag-training niya siya. No, that's what I do with sales executives. But here, I'll just quickly present what's in store for potential buyers for this new crossover of Honda. So this is the new HR-V, and let me begin by playing a video.
Unlock more to life with a new Honda HR-V.
Cebu, Visayas, Mindanao, let's all welcome and launch our HRV EHEV.
Of the Honda CRV. So we also have our PNB Auto Loans. So naatay 5 years to pay, 3 years to pay. So depende no, for your client. So i-tailor fit na to siya. And mas nindot or higher chance of approval if the client has an account with PNB.
Easy Mobility Honda Car Cebu. Thank you. Well, the unique thing here, it's really more on putting in your favorite HRV to a new level with our hybrid RS engines. So it speaks more on the efficiency, the way it delivers power. It's a balance of class, beauty, and it's available here with a sand khaki. So sabi nga nila, swerte ang sand khaki color ngayon.
Yeah.
So basically, the price is about 1.7 at that range. And this is already available. We have the inventory in stocks. Discounts are ready and our sales executives are quite ready to handle all of your inquiries.
Hi guys, for interested buyers who wants discounts or freebies, please use this code. Thank you for watching guys to our channel, Mr. Misdak. Please do subscribe to our channel.